So today we got a recurring customer, we've got a real estate, and we got the 911 call to come out clean a driveway. We got halfway there yesterday. It's a pretty long driveway, very slippery. The car slid down as I was reversing out of the way for the lady to get her car out of the way yesterday. So we got halfway done and we sprayed chemical on it last night to see if we can kill it. So what we're doing here is turning down chemical. We're turning down the super pump. This is what we're going to do here. Got your bed. Got a lot of plants everywhere, but we're doing the sandstone walkway, little pads, sandstone steps and a little pad. So we just want to soak it all the way down and just let it sit in. We've done this before. It's all clean up here. Put your bird coming down for all the worms that are coming out of the ground. Here's all the water. So we've done the driveway, as you can see. We've already done this side. Still a little bit of soap studs on the driveway. She had a little spot in here that was all green and nasty, just like the sandstone there. So we've just killed all that that was a 3% mix on that one. And then same in here around the bins, we just killed all that. Did the pathway down the back there. So we're just going to do these sandstone steps nice and slow. Try and keep it low. Did this little pad out here while I was waiting. So just keep it low and slow. Don't get hard in here. But with the pump on low speed, it's nice and easy just to guide it where I need it. Got to get over there. I've soaked this down for the last 5 minutes because I know I just got to get in here and hit that. And that's all the worms that he's chasing. Just gonna hit these. This is below halfway, so I'm just trying to get nice consistency just on all the sandstone. I haven't got the trigger open all the way either. Just trying to get in here. Just keep it real, keep it tight where we want it. Got a lot of soap in this. You can just see it turning just there on that edge. Turning straight away. So it was good. It's what we wanted. You can see that there is already turned. I just want to get that there. Whole idea is not to kill any of the plants. That's the gold. All these sandstone are starting, you can see it now, just starting to pop the colour. Come back to the natural state, which is great. So I'm always drenching the plants all the time. Just in case anything gets on the leaves, everything's wet, everything slimes off. So when I come down here, I'm just flooding the steps. I'm not going straight for the step. I'm flooding onto the step to dilute everything that's there to start with. I'm always not coming on top of the rocks too heavy. Just nice flood, and you just slowly see it wash off the top. Nice flooding, just diluting that chemical down to nothing. Just like that. Coming onto here, same again, just flooding the chemical, flooding the water, not going straight after it to splash it anywhere. Just flooding, flooding, flooding. You can see it just pushing that soap away. Nice flow. With those windows. Slow, 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 just flood, flood, flood. So, you got all that in there. It's the same thing in here, just coming in here and just flooding it. What we're trying to do is push all the chemicals away. Not worried about that little bit staying in there. That's gone there. This side's gone here. Those steps are nice and shiny now. You can see that little lip that was running down off the edges. Then all this here is just turned snow white. It's the same thing here. We're just going to flood from the edges. It's going to wet the plants. By wetting the plants, we're diluting the pathway at the same time. Then we're coming into the pathway. Just flooding it. Then we come in here and give it a good flush out. Get that little lip. Going backwards and forwards just to agitate that white. You could pressure wash all this, but it's just a soft wash. And chemicals all you need to kill everything, so going in there and rinsing it nicely. Getting that off that step ledge. Alright. And I'm just flooding the plants. Alright, so we're all finished here. I'm just spending more time rinsing. Just rinsing everything, soaking it. Still a lot of soap on the deck there, but that's fine. I'm not worried about the soap. Just making sure everything's wet, damp. Just trying to untangle the hose. Alright. Get a couple of those lips. And a couple of those rocks back. Let's have a look at that sandstone in the corner. That was pretty nasty. Oh, look how clean that come up. Look at that, the brown is all gone now. It's just died. So you give it a little bit more time. Just goes. Just rinse out here a little bit. And then this job's all done. I just got to pack up and I'm out. So if you didn't know where I was working today, I'm working right at Noosa. This is Noosa River. Beautiful. It's a bit calm today.